Such an exciting day today. And the reason why is because the Road King is about to hit 10,000 miles. It is. It is currently sitting about 19 to 20 miles away. So I'm driving home and I'm going to take a longer ride because obviously I want to hit 10,000 miles with you guys. And I'm going to tell you what, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post videos. I love this channel and I love doing this stuff. So I got the Road King. Has to be several months by now. I don't even know, maybe 5 months or something like that. And I've been having such a great time, man. And I'm actually kind of surprised because I really wasn't expecting to have such an amazing time with this bike. I was kind of like my third choice in a way. And now, as I'm riding and as I'm loving it and all that stuff, I wish it would have been my first choice. Really do, because it's such a cool bike. It really is. And I got kind of wrapped up on, you know, the fairing. I got kind of wrapped up in the whole road glide, street glide, and having all those speakers and all that stuff. And now that I think about it, you know, it's so cool to have a bare bone Road King just like this. Look at the headlight. That thing is awesome. That thing is just so fantastic, right? Such a great feeling just to go down the highway like I am right now and just enjoy the motorcycle. Just ride, if you want to put it that way. So it's been about 5 months, and maybe, I don't know, I really wish I could tell you the amount of time. I really don't know, but it's been several months, and so far I'm actually enjoying it a lot. And I'm going to tell you, one of the things, I'm sure you guys have heard me talking about it already, but this bar right here, I'm loving it, but I feel like I'm really close to the bike, like I'm in top of the tank, and I feel like I'm scooting back constantly. I don't know what's the deal with that. It is what it is. But obviously, I'm going to be, oh, I just waved to the cop. No way back. But anyways, I feel like once I get the saddle that I want, which I'm thinking is going to be the Saddleman Step Up, I think it's called. Once I get that saddle and I put it on, it's supposed to push me, I heard, about an inch back and maybe about an inch down or something like that. I mean, everybody says different things on the forum, but that's what I heard. So again, once I do that, then I could kind of like readjust the bars, because I think that readjusting the bar could potentially be a pain in the butt, right? You gotta open the headlight and do all that stuff. So again, once I get the saddle, I readjust the bar. Let's check out what we got. Okay, we got 9,984 miles. Wow. 16 miles to go, baby. 16 miles to go. And we're going to hit 10,000 miles here in the Jarhead 6 ride channel together. And it's going to be amazing. So everything is going to a lot of issues right now. I mean, everything's going to chaos. And the amount of issues that we're seeing in the news is so crazy. And I don't mean to come here and talk about it, because I really won't. I want this channel to be a positive place, a place to have fun, and a place to entertain, bring you guys with me to places that I go, right? I do have another channel, and I've been ranting on that channel a lot. I mean, it is what it is, you know. I was just telling a friend of mine that YouTube is a platform where everybody could come and create videos and talk about things, and sometimes we may disagree, right? We may disagree with some issues, but that is your opinion. You are totally welcome to create a channel, and you are totally welcome to do things, right? Create videos and just essentially share your opinion. And there will be some people that agree with you, and there will be some other people that disagree with you. That's just how it is here in the community, right? But again, I've been ranting in that channel a lot, and you know, the whole situation has been bugging me a little bit. I have some strong opinions about it, and again, if you want to check out that, definitely go to my main channel and check that out. But one thing that I don't see, one thing that I pretty much never see is love. Really is love, right? And a lot of times we try to fix a wrong with a wrong, and we expect to have a positive result. I don't understand that. That is crazy to me, that you expect a wrong to be fixed with a wrong and expect a positive result, and it's just not going to happen, right? I talk about God every now and then here on the channel, my main channel, talk about it all the time. And I told a bunch of people lately, I was like, look, man, when Jesus came to preach the gospel, he came with love. You know, he came to love us and share a different way, right? I mean, so many wars, so many people doing horrific things back in those days, still to this day, but he literally came to show the example and show us love, and through love he was able to conquer so many things. You know, now thousands of years later, people are still being saved in the name of Jesus Christ, right? People's life has been changed. People are committing horrific crimes and coming out of those old life, and coming out with new life and doing amazing things. People are coming out of jail and being great people. People are being saved every single day. And how did he did it? He did it with love. He didn't do it with a wrong, right? A wrong would never fix a wrong. I think I made my point to that. So it kind of hurts me sometimes as I see the stuff that is going on. It kind of hurts me sometimes that no one, pretty much not too many people, are talking about that. And I know why. Really know why. Simply, we got 13 miles, guys. 13 miles. It's actually quite simple. Bad news sells. Bad news sells. I just gonna leave it at that, you know. Bad news sell. If you're gonna talk about great things every single day, no one will watch TV, right? The news nowadays is out of control. They're trying to, you know, get more views, more clicks, and that's just how it goes. I mean, it is the same thing, literally the same thing with YouTube. I mean, people are always doing nasty videos and all that stuff. Why? Or clickbait videos, because that's how they get views, you know. That's how they make money, right? And it's the same thing with the news. Really the same thing with the news. They're trying to make money. They're trying to do things, and that's what it sells. And it's kind of sad, but it is what it is. That's just how it is. I wish the news would take the responsibility to, one, stop talking or stop giving opinions, and two, share facts, and then stop dividing the people. Talk about love, talk about unity, talk about, you know, working through a legal system, talk about doing the right thing when no one is watching, not making the whole situation like it's okay and defending people that should not be defended. All right, we got about 12 miles. 12 miles to make it to 10,000. And man, this is exciting. 10,000 miles. I think I got the bike with, I don't remember, 6,700 miles or something like that. So I have put maybe 3,000 miles on the bike. That's not a lot, but I only got it for a few months, right? And I pretty much take it to work all the time. I do my little rides every now and then when I can. Obviously, I got a wife and 3 kids. Sometimes it gets kind of complicated. But I ride a lot, and essentially because I go to work on my bike and I love it, you know. To me, it's kind of like a way to relax. And I mean, some people like taking the bike, some people don't. You know, I got bags and I bring my lunch and all that stuff. So again, I enjoy bringing my bike to work all the time. And when it's weather like this, man, it's just so simple. Really, really simple. So let's just say that it's a new day, and through the magic of editing, we are here with a wind chill. 6:40 in the morning, guys, and I was gonna continue riding, but I had a barbecue. The wife was waiting on me. Dinner was almost ready. I had to do some barbecue, and obviously, you know, I just had to go home. So 6:40 in the morning today, we're gonna finish this video. We are at 9,997 miles, so we got about 3 miles to go. That is nothing, and we're gonna be hitting 10,000 miles in the Road King. Ooh, that is so exciting, guys. very, very exciting. I did post a question in my last video talking about windshield versus no windshield. And I'm going to tell you, a lot of you guys says windshield. Some of you guys says no windshield. A lot of debate, not debate, but just like in a way on this. I know it's primarily have nothing to do with the ability or capabilities of a windshield. I think a lot of guys are just for the look, you know. Some people like it with the windshield, some people don't. I'm one of those guys. I actually like the windshield, so I apologize for the guys that are against the windshield. I guess I could pimp it both ways, but primarily I just like the look, and I love how the bars kind of raise above the windshield, and I don't know, it gives them like a really nice look in my opinion. One mile, 9999. I'm actually gonna stop in the gas station, get me a drink, and I need to hurry up because I gotta go to work. YouTube does not pay my bills, my job does. So I need to hit 10,000 miles so I can go to work. And there it is, guys. Whoa, 10,000 miles. Man, I want to say thank you to everybody that have been watching me for the last couple miles, a couple thousand miles. Alright, I don't have a fancy speech, but again, 10,000 miles on the Road King, I'm excited about, and I'll tell you what, it's going to be more to come. I'm planning to put a lot of miles in this Road King, and now that I got the bars and I feel a lot more comfortable, I mean, the riding has become more enjoyable. I just can't imagine when I put a nice saddle and it becomes even more enjoyable. I'm going to be going all over the place. So anyways, I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys are having a great day, great week. Be safe. There's a lot of nonsense going on out there. I appreciate the support. And as always, God is in control.